packing up the truck. Last piece of equipment to go in here for the weekend or for the week. And we are off. Truck is loaded. Week-long camping trip with the kids coming up. And we're off. Camping trip, week before the kids go back to school. I got grade 11, grade 9, university. I don't have to work for 2 weeks. Truck's loaded, and we are going camping.
Rolling down the highway,
right there, Frontenac County.
Got some high octane tips in the mud, a couple buds been waiting all week to get these tires from the asphalt to the mud. Have to pack the gear and beer, gonna sleep late last night.
All right, this is our site, Silver Lake Provincial Park, site 88. Pretty decent site. Looks pretty good so far. Kids,
Good.
home
Camping.
home for 5 days.
Yes.
Home for 5 days. Girls' tent, little kitchenette, kidlets eating lunch. My castle, because I'm the king. The boys' little tent. We're here on the Marsh Trail here, Discovery Trail, whatever you want to call it, here at Silver Lake. Little picnic areas here. Kids. A little bit of Yahtzee action here. Yahtzee, Yahtzee.
Down the highway, just before the light. Got some high octane tips in the mud, a couple buds been waiting all week to get these tires from the asphalt to the mud. Have to pack the gear and beer, couldn't sleep late last night. Had that damn river flowing like whiskey on my mind. To be the first one on the hill to see the first fish jumping back, to see the sun come up through my rifle sight.
Nice point here. A little cloudy, a little windy, but that is Silver Lake right there. Pretty nice little spot. Quick tip, kids, when there's a fire ban, propane fire pit. Well, that's a wrap. We packed up early. It's 20 after 8 Thursday morning. We were scheduled to stay till tomorrow, but the weather's rolling in and it's going to rain for all day. Next 24 hours, 30 hours, it's supposed to rain. So we said, we're out, not doing this in the rain. Everyone?
Good camping trip.
All right, folks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time.